What's up, guys? We're back. I have another video for you. This one is another goodie for the RSX. So I just got off of work right now, so I'm really excited and anxious to open this up. We have a really cool goodie, and I'm looking forward to sharing it with you. So let's check it out. And the goodie for the RSX is from Bang DTR header. Let's open this baby up. I didn't even pre-open it. I just got home, so I'm excited. Let's go. Let's go. Oof. There we go. Bang. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's see what we got before we unleash the beauty. See what oh, Danny packed some nice DTR stickers in here. Ooh, those are going on the RSX for sure. For sure. Awesome. So we got some stickers in here. Oh, some hardware. Some of the hardware is laying here. So they gave us a defouler also. Nice. So in case you don't want to get the check engine light, you can put the defouler on. This is for your oxygen sensor. The secondary O2. You usually want to turn that off in K-Pro, or if you're using K-Tuner. But for us guys like me, I haven't got K-Pro yet because I just got my RSX. This defouler will plug into the header, and I can put my oxygen sensor on here, and it will take off the check engine light. So that's really cool. I'm excited about that. Excited to check that out. So we got a defouler. Let's put that off to the side with the sticker. I got one of the springs, came off of the header here. Let's see. How does that go? Oh, it's stretchy. We'll figure it out. But let's look at the header here. We got multiple pipes. I got one pipe here. Looks like one of the collector pipes, the main collector, I think. The collector pipe there. Like I got some nuts and bolts right there, along with that. Okay. Oh, they gave me a new exhaust gasket. Awesome, new exhaust gasket. And the actual main piece right here, the header. Oh, there's some more. Oh, hardware all in here. More bolts, flanges. Oh, they gave me a new donut for the exhaust. And more exhaust bolts. They gave you new exhaust bolts. That is really cool. New exhaust bolts and nuts. That's awesome. All right, let's look at this baby. Woo! From Danny Tran Racing. This is a 4-to-2-to-1 design. Some people will call it like a tri-Y. Some people will call it like a tri-Y header. This one's really nice from Danny Tran. Super excited. Look at this thing. Oh, beautiful with the DTR logo on it, and already has the hardware attached to it for flex. This is gonna be really easy. This is gonna be really awesome to put together. So it comes with the collector here. This is your collector that will attach to the other end, which we're gonna install this in a little bit. I don't know if I want to do the whole assembly here. You know what? Let's go ahead and do a little bit of it. And I'm going to show you this real quick. I'm going to unwrap it. This is the collector here that will attach to the header down there, where we will have additional springs. Now, from my kit that I'm looking at, oh, I do have another spring. Okay. I thought I only had one spring for a second. So I do have two springs that are going to hold this guy. So yeah, we're excited, guys. We're excited. You can look at that collector in there. That's a really nice collector. Okay. And that's where you can put your O2 sensor right here, the primary, and then the secondary will be over here where we'll put the defouler on that pipe. So let me go ahead and put that slip together, and let's take a look at it assembled. All right, guys, so we slipped the collector on to the header. You'll notice the collector has this bump. This is stop point where these two should connect. So what I did is I put like a shop towel and a rubber mallet, and I got them to sit flush. So they're now flush. The pipes are actually hitting right here where they're supposed to, and we're good there. Next thing is to try to get these on, which these are going to be really tough. So I'm going to mess with those later because I got somewhere to go right now. But you put them on here, and we got to find a way to stretch this all the way over there, and it's a lot tougher than you think. So we're going to be messing with that. But yeah, this thing is beautiful, guys. I mean, this is Danny's design. I want to talk a little bit about that. Okay, Danny Tran has been designing these headers for many years. Almost all the headers in the market that you see today, as far as the eBay headers, the other name brand headers, etc., they all come off of Danny's design. Almost all of them come off of Danny's design. And they get produced in China and all that kind of stuff and get shipped to you for discounted prices. And it just happened. Danny had an amazing design in the early 2000s that made a lot of power. And people were like, wow, I really like that design. I'm going to copy it. And I don't believe there was anything Danny could do about it at the time. And everybody copied his design. And they used cheaper materials, obviously. Cheaper stainless, cheaper everything. Got them produced in Asia. And that's just how it is. But, so Danny now offers his same design. Possibly the same grade stainless and everything as them. I could be wrong, but I supported Danny over supporting the eBay knockoffs because Danny originated this design. So why would I support the knockoff when I could support the actual man who put the time and effort into designing these headers? Because back when Danny made this, all that was available was like a DC Sports shorty header. So that wasn't very good. Then Danny went into making full tubular Tri-Y headers. So this is one of his original designs. I wanted to purchase from him, not from eBay, so or anything like that. I wanted to purchase from the originator and the man. So yeah, guys, be sure to check out Danny. He has awesome headers on his site. He'll have them for your case swaps. This is for an RSX. We're going to be getting this all put together and getting it on the RSX. I'll have a how-to video on installing this on the RSX coming to you. But I just wanted to share this header, man. It's really nice, beautiful. Really thankful for Danny Tran and for him providing us with this header. Obviously, you know, we paid for it like everybody else, but we just really appreciate his work and all he does and how long he's been doing it. So guys, make sure to show your love for Danny and just appreciate a lot of the research and development he did way before people now. So that's why I made sure to purchase from him. So guys, make sure to give Danny some love. Check out his Facebook page, DTR Header. Check out his website, dtrheader.com. Be sure to follow him on Instagram, DTR Header as well, or Danny Tran Racing. That's it, guys. Thank you for checking it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. We will be having a follow-up video with installation and how we ended up getting those springs on. But yeah, guys, super excited. And oh, I forgot one thing I want to mention before I leave. That hardware they gave us was not new header bolts. It was the hardware to assemble the pieces right here together and to your exhaust. So yeah, guys, love the header. Be sure to check out Danny. Check out DTR. Go buy from the originator, guys, and take care. Later.